Have you ever wondered what makes a perfect weld with SMAW using 7018 rods? In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to achieve a flawless weld in the 1G position. Watch closely as we set the amperage for smooth arc stability and demonstrate the ideal electrode angle to avoid undercutting. Notice the steady hand movement and consistent travel speed, key factors for perfect bead formation. By the end, you'll see the result, a clean, strong weld that passes every inspection. Stay till the end for a pro tip that could transform your welding skills forever.